Good morning. Am I close enough? In this beautiful March sunshiny morning, I bought a new project car. I have a problem. But this one's really cool. Let's go have a look at it. There's definitely a little bit of work to do on it. Also, it's got a mileage of 650,000 kilometers, which I think translates to like slightly over 400,000 freedom units. But it's that one. There's some sort of plug in here, which is covered with a foam bit in a plastic bag. Not the greatest piece of engineering. Okay, I need the cutting things for the... I actually tried to find the proper wire cutters, and they're missing here as well. Whatever the hell this is. Yeah, this is a parking sensor.
Okay.
But it's got all its parking sensors. Why does it have an extra parking sensor? And then it's wrapped in a sponge and then a plastic bag, because it's great because when the water comes down, it sits in the plastic bag and then the sponge absorbs it. So it's basically a parking sensor that's having like a sauna for like 2 years or whatever it is. Why? Okay. And the cable is stuck between the bumper and the...
It could be that this parking sensor is not actually active and it's right here.
Well, yes, in theory, but the thing is that actually this blob is literally that blob normally. As in, here it's gray, here it's red. So there looks to be a sensor underneath there. Like this is normally the sensor.
I think what should be and what is are two different things.
That's very, very wise.
Yeah, you say that to the person who thought was recording for half an hour and wasn't. And there was a lot of fun stuff in there. So.
Cameras are complicated, you know?
Maybe you want to do a 2-minute recap of what happened while I was not recording?
Well, we took the bumper bar off, this part, and then I realized that obviously we need size 13 bolt thingies, because I'm smart like that. And
Nobody else told him that.
Nobody else told me that it was 13, and I didn't, no matter what the people say, try 12, 11, 10, 11, 12 before trying the 13. So I won €5, because there wasn't a bet or anything like that. Yeah, that was the funniest part, I guess. But we took the bumper bar off, we realized that there's no, whatever, certificate sign on it, so it's a stupid bar. And then we found out how damaged the bumper itself is. So we need to probably remove all this at some point. But don't worry, I've already found custom body kits for these vans that, well, maybe don't look sweet, but they look better. And now we're gonna take a break, because it's been like 20 minutes of work already. Enough.
Exhausting.
I don't think there's much point in recording us not doing work, because that'll just be way too much footage.
It's more realistic though.
Inside the bumper, so we need to take the bumper cut out. Well, if we're lucky, this light isn't working because one of the connections is loose or whatever.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hello there.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you sure this time that you're recording? Okay. Where did I put my gloves?
In the pocket somewhere. No.
Well, now the next 10 minutes I'm going to spend trying to find my gloves. Content right there.
Your jacket?
No, that would be silly. No, let me check my... That's fine. I'll find that at some point. It's a lot more difficult getting shit done when you're dumb. Of course. Underneath the car. Duh. Where I always store my gloves. We're waiting for my brother to figure out how hoods work. Hey! Oh, so that one isn't done properly. Picture time! Or should I just take selfies with like...
We don't, yeah.
Wait, this wasn't actually connected at all.
No, it wasn't. At all. Nothing. It was just there. Damaged it very much. Yeah.
Alright. I think we can just get a zip tie. This is what you call quality engineering. I would say it's going to be easier to zip tie it to something here, because it's going to have to go back here later on anyways. Snippity snips. bar mitzvah.
Yeah.
You make yourself laugh.
He's a funny guy.
I'm a funny guy. Well, my question is, so it's loose from here, and I'm guessing because it does these little clips at the bottom. But I'm just saying that there's no attachments in the corners where it
There
would.
is no need for that.
Yeah, we just made our lives a lot harder
Just in case.
because this shit was way too easy
Yeah.
so far. Yep, like new. All right, so other problems in this car right now. The rear doors don't open, so we're gonna figure that out. Oh, this light has a crack. A little crack here, which is not a big thing, but
Yeah.
because that's probably 2,000 euros or whatever. So I think what we're gonna have to do, because yeah, so the handle works. It opens the top part, I think, but not the bottom part. So we need to basically go inside, take the inside door panel off. I guess we're also now going to get into the tour of the van. Macaron chocolate. Hello MTV Cribs. Come check out my new crib. It's got a TV.
Don't shine the light right into the camera.
The TV works. There's a DVD player behind it. Kinda works. It's got these comfy lounge seats. But right now, I'm gonna focus on getting that rear door open.
Should we take the seats out?
I think the seats are gonna be kind of a hassle to. Or wait,
No, not a big hassle. It should be pretty easy, yes.
that was how big of a hassle that was.
It's like a horse.
Well, now it is because we've taken all the comfort seats out. It's also got a handicap lift. Whenever you're out and get too wasted, I can come pick you up and then lift you into the car with the. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm so enormous.
I see some ingenuity here already, which is self-tapping screws. There's some regular plastic holders as well. But yeah, definitely some extra genius screw mounting done here. Oh, and one's completely rusted as well somehow. I'm gonna just wait for my assistant to bring me the tools.
Light into the camera.
Just wait for my assistant to bring me the tools. I'm gliding now. And yes, before anybody asks, these are my Sunday church clothes. Oh my god.
Becky.
Look at that screw. I bet it's one of those rap guys screws. Well, we got the door open. But yeah, it looks like these whatever latches are just rusty, welded rust. And now when I open up, it looks like the same thing is happening here at the bottom of the other door. So it's just about getting in there, wrenching it open. Bit of an annoying task, but doable. That's the important thing. And as you can see, it's a door. Today I'm just gonna do a whole lot of maintenance.